Hello class, today I'm going to be giving you a video about the order of operations. Specifically, we're going to look at study link 7.5 for this problem. Remember, the top of this page, you can see that they have the order of operations written there for you. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Kind of gives you directions of how to walk through and solve these problems step by step in the correct order to get the right answer. Let's go number 1 in this case. We have 4 plus 5 times 6. Well, I know in the order of operation, multiplication comes before addition. So 5 times 6 gives me 30. 4 plus 30 gives me an answer of 34. Let's go over and look at number 2. In 2, I see a parentheses and an exponent. Parentheses comes before exponent, so I do what's in the parentheses first. 2 plus 3 in this case gives me 5. 5 to the second power is 5 times 5. Will give me an answer of 25. Just remember the order of operations when you're looking at these problems. If you mix up the order of operations, you'll get a wrong answer. So you have to make sure that you're doing them in the correct order, step by step. The next problem, I have 12 times 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Well, I can just do it left to right. We have multiplication and division in there. Multiplication and division come before addition. 12 times 2 gives me 24. 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. Now I can add 24 plus 4 gives me an answer of 28. Number 4. I see 115 minus 10 to the second power plus 3 times 5. Exponents in this case come first. 10 to the second power gives me 100. So now I have 115 minus 100 plus 3 times 5. In this case, multiplication will be next. 3 times 5 gives me 15. 3 times 5 right here gives me 15. 100 plus 15 is 115. So that ends up being 115 minus 115 for an answer of 0. I'm going to erase that to give myself some space. For number 5, we have 6 times and then parentheses 3 plus 2 to the second power divided by 2. I have to do what's in the parentheses first. 2 to the second power is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So I have 6 times 7 divided by 2. 6 times 7 gives me an answer of 42. Divided by 2 would give me an answer of 21. From that problem, I just went left to right. Multiplication and division are the same on the same level in order of operations. So in that case, just read it left to right. 6 times 7 is 42. Divided by 2 gives me an answer of 21. This next problem, 7 plus 9 times 7 divided by 3. Again, just read it left to right. Multiplication and division come first, so I have to work those out. 9 times 7 gives me an answer of 63. 63 divided by 3 gives me an answer of 21. So I have 7 plus 21 gives me an answer of 28. I had to read it left to right. 9 times 7 gave me 63. Now I can divide. 63 divided by 3 is 21. 7 plus 21 equals 28. On the bottom, the directions are write true or false for each number sentence. Follow the rules for order of operations. So we're solving these problems and determining if what they have written down is true or false. 3 plus 4 times 5. I have to do multiplication first because of my order of operations. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 plus 20 is 23. They have 35. So in this case, I have false. I'll put F for false. Let's take a look at 8. I do parentheses first in this situation. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 7 times 5 is 35. So in this case, for 8, that answer would be true. That number sentence is true. For 9, we have 3 times 4. Multiplication comes first. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Number 9 would be true as well. Number 10, order of operations. I see parentheses there. Parentheses always comes first. 3 times 4 in parentheses would be 12. Now I can do the subtraction. 12 minus 12. Again, same answer. 0. In this case, it'll be true. The difference between 9 and 10 is that they just had parentheses around the 3 and the 4. Well, number 9, you would have done 3 times 4 first anyways, because multiplication comes before subtraction. Same thing with 10. Parentheses and multiplication in there go before the subtraction. Both gave us 0. Both are true. Number 11, multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication becomes first in my order of operations. 3 times 4 is 12. Now I can subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0, not 36, making 11 false. Let's take a look at number 12. Parentheses comes first. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 times 4 equals 36, which they have. 12 is true. Let's look at the last two problems for here, 13 and 14. 13, we have 8 divided by 2 plus 6. I have a division and an addition sign. So I know that I have to divide first because of my order of operations. 8 divided by 2 would give me a 4 plus 6. So we have 4 plus 6 would give me 10. They have 1. This would be false. Last problem for this homework help video. I have 8 divided by, in parentheses, 2 plus 6. I see parentheses. Parentheses comes before the division sign in our order of operations. So 2 plus 6 would give me 8. Now I can divide. 8 divided by 8 equals 1, which they have, which is true. So remember, at the top of this page, they give you the order of operations right there, and they kind of walk you through step by step. You remember, you have to follow the correct order of operations, otherwise your answers will not come out correct. Good luck with your homework, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.